foodies, I'm Sophia from Clifton, New Jersey. I'm 10 years old and I'm in the 4th grade. Welcome to my MasterChef Junior audition. Welcome to the birdhouse. Come on in. I have a lot of passions. I love TikTok. I'm a singer. I'm learning how to play the guitar. I'm a cheerleader. I'm a Girl Scout. I'm a yogi. I'm a dog lover, but most of all, I'm the star of the Lilmamasofi cooking show along with my dad. Today I'm going to be making my version of surf and turf with sirloin steak and jumbo shrimp. I'm going to marinate my steak with salt, pepper, garlic and onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, paprika, and cumin. Let's get cooking. I marinated my steak for 2 hours and now I'm ready for my side dish. For my side dish, I decided to make roasted cauliflower. I diced it and now I'm ready to season it. Last night, me and my dad made an awesome pesto pasta. So I'm going to season my cauliflower with pesto and Parmesan. Started on our shrimp and our steak. Depending on how thick your steak is, it can take 4 to 5 minutes on each side to get a nice medium. And I like my steak medium, pink and juicy. Make sure to cook it on a hot cast iron skillet to get a nice sear. Shrimp. I put it in an egg wash and covered it in seasoned flour and cornstarch because it comes out crispy. I took off my steaks and put them in the rest so the juices can reconstitute. I put some butter into the shrimp so it can develop a nice sauce. Next is plating, and after that, eating.